Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. Many Windows users are suddenly seeing secure boot update tasks, scheduled tasks running in the background, and strange event lock warnings. This is happening because secure boot certificates are expiring in 2026 and Microsoft is pushing a new certificate update. Don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to check your secure boot status, enable the update manually, or disable the scheduled task if needed. Microsoft recently started rolling out new Secure Boot certificates because the original ones installed on most Windows devices are expiring in 2026. These certificates are used to verify trusted software during the boot process, which helps prevent bootkits and firmware level malware from running when your computer starts. If your system doesn't update these certificates before they expire, Windows may still boot, but it could run in a reduced security state and miss future boot level protections. Before enabling anything, you should first check if the new certificate is already installed. To check the status first, open PowerShell as administrator and type this command carefully. And then press enter. Here, true means your system already has the Windows UEFI CA 2023 certificate installed. And false means the update hasn't been applied yet, which is happened in my case. This is the easiest way to verify if your system has already received the new Secure Boot Trust certificate. However, if you want to manually apply the update, follow these steps. So first, open PowerShell as administrator and type this command carefully. Then press enter. Next, type this command. And then hit enter. After that, restart your PC. After reboot, Windows installs the new Secure Boot certificates and boot manager. But some users want to disable this task temporarily because of compatibility issues, firmware bugs, or even lock errors. In that case, open PowerShell as administrator and type this command. And press enter to disable Secure Boot update. Please note, before disabling this update, remember that Secure Boot helps protect your system from boot level malware and firmware attacks. For most users, Microsoft recommends letting Windows install these certificates updates automatically through normal updates. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.